On the banks of which river is the Taj Mahal located? Yamuna. Which color of the Indian national flag represents strength and courage? Saffron. Which cricketer is known as the Master Blaster? Sachin Tendulkar. Which is the state? Goa. Which is the capital of Orissa? Bhubaneswar. On which date is Republic Day celebrated in India? January 26. The Spice Garden of India is a nickname of which one of the below states? Kerala. Who is a famous tennis player from India? Sania Mirza. Which is the motto of the Indian national emblem? Satyamev Jayate. What is the meaning of white color on the Indian national flag? Peace and truth.